Hi everyone and welcome back. Here's another product that I bought off Temu, and when I did the initial haul of what I bought, I did say that this one deserves its own video. So here it is. It's the torch. Let's get out the box. There we go. I have used it. It is brilliant. You know, rotate on your cap. You know, it's got a little display on off, USB-C charger. You get the charger with it as well. So like you charge a phone, you do the exact same thing. It does say it's waterproof somewhere. I'm sure it did. I can't get the cap back on. Never mind. Let's get the manual. I don't think it did. It's a user manual, right? Key features, anything else? Just a simple manual. So here we have high efficiency lighting, provides bright LED lighting to ensure clear visibility in the dark. Adjustable brightness supports different brightness levels to meet the lighting needs of various scenarios. Durable materials, made with high quality materials, shock resistant, suitable for harsh weather conditions. Right, so that's where I thought, yeah, it's waterproof, but harsh weather conditions. Would you say it's, you know, water resistant? I don't know. Usage instructions. After receiving the product, please first ensure that the product is correct, followed by charging the product, and then fully charged can be adjusted by the switch button brightness. Not quite sure what they mean by that, but let me know. Warning, do not look directly into LED light. This is not a toy and should not be handed by infants or children. Children under 6 years old should not use this product without adult supervision. Right, obviously it's made in China, states it there. Energy label is an E. They might say, here's the USB-C, yeah. USB-C charge. So one click. So it's on 78% at the minute, and it is bright. Let's see if I can. Let's see if I can do it with all the lights off. So total darkness. Wow. Now that is bright. So that's the full-on brightness. So that's the two LEDs. That's one LED. The brightness is down. Red. And then you got the police thing going. Red and blue. And off. So we'll get the lighting back on. So yeah, pretty impressive that. I'm liking it. So here's the rotation. So you've probably got it on your cap. You want to see. Don't get me wrong, this ain't going to light up the whole garden or the whole road. This is for close work, yeah? That's what you'd use it for, and SOS, yeah? So display. The front rotates. It's got a clip, sturdy clip. magnet, so it sticks on. You know, I had this on my toolbox, so, but yeah, it sticks really well. Just trying to find something to put it on. So yeah, it is pretty strong. You know, it sticks on my toolbox really well. Charging time, I haven't done that yet. I don't know how long it lasts, but it does last quite a bit. Well, enough to do your work anyway, but as long as it's at 100%. So I was really impressed with that. If you see it on Temu, get one. And I'm happy to say, yeah, it's worth getting one. So I'll have to leave you on that one. And before you go, please do give it the thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Helps the channel grow and helps me bring more content like this to you. I'll see you on the next one.